So we're going to build a web application for an imaginary vehicle dealer called Viga. Let's say you want to sell your car. You call Viga, talk to someone on the phone, and ask them to register your car in their database. Other people who are buyers can browse the vehicles in their database, and if they're interested in a vehicle, they will call Viga and talk to someone on the phone, and the rest of the process happens offline at that stage. So this is the big picture. Now, as part of recording a vehicle for sale, we need to know its make, its model, its features. So basically, there are a set of standard features like ABS brakes, airbags, bottle holders, and so on. So here we have a many-to-many relationship between vehicles and features. A vehicle can have many features, and a feature may be available in many different vehicles. We also need to record whether a vehicle is registered or not, the owner's name and contact information, and finally, we should also be able to upload one or more photos for each vehicle. So the simplest solution to this problem is to have a page where we see all the vehicles in the database. On this page, we should be able to filter and sort vehicles. If there are more than 10 vehicles, we should display them in pages. And from this page, we should be able to click a vehicle to see its details. We should also have a page to add a new vehicle to the database. Also, in terms of authorization, we need two different roles here. One is the moderator role, and this includes Viga personnel who talk to sellers and buyers on the phone. They can create, update, and delete vehicles in the database. We also need an admin role, and anyone in this role has additional privileges. For this imaginary app, we're going to display a report of vehicle sales by their makes in a pie chart like this. So anyone with admin access can view this report. And finally, if someone hasn't logged in, they should only be able to browse the vehicles. So we're going to hide the buttons for creating, updating, and deleting vehicles here. Okay, now that you know what we're going to build, let's start setting up our development environment.